Hi there, my name is Scott Stevens, and this is a tutorial on how to use the KeyPass password safe. Now, at the beginning of this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the file locally, and then I'm going to show you how to use it on an FTP server. So after you've installed and downloaded KeyPass, go to File, then New. So this is for local storage, so we're going to enter a database name, and you're going to select where you want to save the database. So I'm going to enter test database, then press enter. Now it's going to ask you for a master key. This is the password you will use to open the database file. You have to have this password or else you'll never be able to access the file, and if you have any passwords on the file already, you'll lose those passwords unless you have them memorized or saved elsewhere. So I'm going to use 12345 just for this one. 12345 and press OK. Now I'll ask you to enter our database name and a description for the database. So let's enter YouTube database and for video. I'm going to press OK, and now it has created the database with 2 sample entries. We're going to get rid of these samples as we don't really need them, and then we're going to go to Internet. And now the first database entry I'm going to make is actually going to be for Minecraft. So I'm going to right click, press Add Entry, and I'm going to automatically go to the auto type feature. Now while you're if you're going to actually use this for adding it to Minecraft, you have to open up your Minecraft, have the window open, go to Add, then select the target window, which in this case is Minecraft Launcher. You can also use this for any other login windows such as World of Warcraft, Origin, Steam, and etc. So press OK. Now I'll go over to Entry. Now we're going to label this Minecraft, our username, in my case, Daragon, and for the sake of security, I'm not actually going to show you guys my password. I'm just going to use the one that it automatically generates. Now, depending on the game that you're using or the application you want this for, you're going to have to generate a password, and sometimes you're going to use a custom length. For example, Blizzard only allows you to use a maximum of 16 characters in their passwords, so in that case you'd only select 16, and since they don't actually allow very many special characters, we're going to keep that disabled, and then just click OK. It'll generate a password, in this case it's that, and then just press OK. Now we have an entry for Minecraft. If we want to enter it automatically, we'll highlight our username or remove it, depending on if it's already there or not, and press Ctrl-Alt-A. It automatically fills out the entries, presses enter to log you in, and since it's login failed, well, I'm using a different password than the one I used in the entry, but if in your case you're going to use the right password and it will work. So I'm going to close out of Minecraft. And that's how to save it locally. Until you actually press save, it's not going to be on your computer, so make sure you do that each time before you exit out of KeyPass. So I'm going to press save, and that's it. If you're using an FTP server, you'll actually have to go to Save As and Save to URL. I have a local FTP server enabled right now, so I'm going to type in localhost instead, then testdatabase.kdbx. Going to enter my username, Scott, my password, and you can actually select whether you want to remember the username or the password in case you're using a thumb drive and you don't always have your username and password remembered. So I'm going to actually just press do not remember my username or password, press OK, and it automatically saves it to the FTP server. If you enjoyed this tutorial and like to request another, please leave a comment on the video or send me a message through YouTube. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day.